Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and today I am going to be cooking chili mac in my CROCKPOT Express cooker. You guys, I have made this recipe only one time, and I did not have my CROCKPOT Express cooker at the time. So I'm excited to cook it in my CROCKPOT Express cooker and to see how it turns out. I know it's going to be super quick, super easy to do. So if you're interested in how I make my chili mac in my CROCKPOT Express cooker, and you're interested to see just how easy it is, keep on watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Teat family. We love all of you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, click all, so you can be notified when we upload a new video. So I'm going to start off by putting my crock-pot on brown or saute, and while it's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys my ingredients that I'll be using today. So I have 1 white onion, a pound of white ground turkey, some crushed red pepper. Now this is optional, you don't have to use this if you don't want. If you don't like spice, you don't have to use this. Some ground cumin, some black beans, some stewed tomatoes, some great northern beans. I also have some sweet corn, some black pepper, some adobo sauce. I'll call it adobe sauce. Adobe sauce to season my meat, some elbow macaroni, as well as 2 different types of pasta sauce, and I have some olive oil and some chili powder. So that's what I would be using for my chili, and I got majority of this stuff from Aldi except the meat, and I already had the adobe season and the black pepper, but mostly everything else came from Aldi. Okay, you guys, my crock-pot is all ready to go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my meat. I'm gonna brown, and then I'm gonna put my onions in there as well. Okay, so my turkey is pretty much done. Smells good. So now I'm just gonna add in my other ingredients. So I have some great northern beans. I already drained them and washed them off. I'm just gonna put those in there. Some black beans. I have some stewed tomatoes with some chilies in them. I have some drained sweet corn. Then I'm gonna put in my sauce. Crushed pepper for a little kick, a little bit of kick, you know what I'm saying? You can add as little as much as you want, okay? I eyeball stuff, so if you're looking for, you know, exactly how much, listen, you eyeball it for what to your taste. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce in there because I want it really saucy. Maybe a half of another jar. I want it real saucy, yeah. Because it's gonna cook up some because we have the noodles. Now, finally, I put the noodles in. That's 1 cup of noodles. I'm gonna do 2 cups. All right, so I'm gonna mix all of that in. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my top on. I'm gonna leave the valve locked, closed. And now I'm going to press on my express cooker. I'll show you guys. Now on the express cooker, I'm going to cook it under beans and chili. And I'm gonna press start. And here we go. Okay, you guys, so I came to the kitchen to kind of check on my food that I was cooking, my chili mac, and my crock pot read this error, E6. So I immediately started freaking out, like, what is going on? And I ran to Google to try to find the answer. And I found out that E6, so whenever you see E6 error, either on your Instapot or your CrockPot Express cooker, that means that there is not enough liquid inside your crock pot in order for it to pressure cook. Or it can mean another thing, that it's actually too hot. Because I went from brown and saute, okay, to pressure cook. And that means that it's pretty much overheated and that I don't have enough liquid in there for it to actually become a pressure cooker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open it up. Okay, and here is my chili mac. It looks really, really good. And it's not done yet, but you see how thick it is? There's not enough liquid in here. So I need to add some liquid in order for this thing to like actually cook and pressurize. So I have some vegetable broth that I'm so glad I picked up at Aldi. This is organic vegetable broth. I'm gonna open this up and put it inside here so that it can have more liquid and that it can pressure cook. So once I get that done, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my vegetable broth, so I'm just gonna pour some in here so I can make sure I have enough liquid. Okay, I'm gonna stir this around. Okay, that seems much better. Hopefully this will be enough liquid so that I don't get an error E6 again. I was kind of freaking out. I thought I had broke my CrockPot Express cooker, y'all. I was getting so sad. I'm like, oh my God, what does this mean? I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. Like, what does this mean? But it just needs more liquid. So you guys, I am learning how to use my express cooker. Like I said, if you watch my previous video, I cooked some frozen chicken in here, and you'll see that the results was amazing. Okay, so it's still saying E6, and it won't let me start it or anything. It won't let me press any button. So I'm gonna actually try unplugging it from the wall. Okay. Wait a few seconds, and I'm gonna try plugging it back up. And if it still says E6, then I'm gonna let it cool down some. Okay, so it's not saying anything right now. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna put it on beans, chili, press start. Okay, so it looks like I'm all good to go, and I'm back rolling. If you have not seen my previous video, cooking frozen chicken in the CrockPot Express cooker, be sure to click the link down below so that you can see that video. Okay, so it is all done, and here is the final product here. It looks delicious, looks so good. Nice and thick and hearty. So if you want, you can add cheese to this and kind of make it like really, really cheesy, or you can do with no cheese. But this is the final product. I had Chris taste it and he absolutely loved it. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more CrockPot Express cooker recipes, let me know in the comment section down below, and I can show you more recipes. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.